The professionals share their lead generation secrets. Lead generation is very important in the business world because it helps you attract consumers to your business. You can either do it yourself or hire a company to do it for you. The latter choice is risky, so it is always better to find ways to generate leads yourself. The video below offers solid tips and ideas on how to go about doing that. Perfect the art of a good call to action, in order to generate more leads for your business. A good call to action is highly specific, very relevant to the particular readers, and always links to a landing page where the offer can be found for purchase or download. Make your CTA count for more valuable leads. Keep the consumer buying cycle in mind as you attempt to generate more leads, because it can have a big impact on your results. Many consumers will consider the offer, look for information, then decide. If your offers are more focused towards meeting the consumer's needs, it can quicken up their decision-making process. Invite potential customers to actually opt into joining your community on your website. You'd be amazed at how many website browsers will make the decision to provide their email. Make sure, though, that you've got relevant content to share with them afterwards. Think about developing a newsletter or a series of tips emails. Survey your current customers about where they typically congregate online. To generate quality leads, you need to understand where your audience hangs out. Once you know, get involved in that community any way you can. That may mean advertising, or it may mean becoming a thought leader in the community. Call people locally to see who might buy from you. It's amazing how many people will actually want to hear your sales pitch. It does not matter what you are selling, there is a potential customer there for you, so try to promote this way. Know your target market. When you understand the specific group that most needs the products or services you offer, you will be able to reach them more efficiently. For example, if you are trying to reach elderly customers, you have a better chance of generating leads if you avoid a skateboard shop. Find out if any local publications available for free fit within your niche. For example, real estate agents can get into the local new homes guides found in boxes around the city. If you are a dentist, you could get an ad in a free kids magazine which details local attractions. One of the highest visitor to lead ratios you will find online is with LinkedIn. Therefore, this platform should be high on your list of tools for lead generation. Put together a polished and professional profile that includes links to all your landing pages and make LinkedIn a valuable part of your lead generation success. After watching the above video, you should be able to tell the difference between a good lead and a bad one. If you go about generating leads on your own, then follow the tips that you watch here. Outside companies that offer lead generation is usually a bad idea, but with the tips you just learned, you should be able to be successful at it on your own. Student loan.